Glam fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Let me know down below how y'all are doing. Y'all, I am doing all right. I honestly cannot complain. God woke me up this morning, and that alone is enough for me. In today's video, I wanted to show y'all in real time how to do small knotless braids. I have another video up over how I do my small knotless braids in real time. Well, I believe it's jumbo knotless braids, but either way, it's knotless braids in real time. But I wanted to come back with an even more detailed video. As y'all see me doing now, is I'm cleaning my parts up. I love clean parts, y'all. So you're gonna start off by just parting the hair regularly. Then you're gonna lay a little product in that part, and you're gonna continue to straighten it up until it looks really, really clean. And then you divide that little piece, that little section, down into subsections before you start braiding. And I'm going to show you that, and then we'll go on. Okay, y'all, when it comes to knotless braids, I want you to tell me what's the hardest part for you. Like, is it starting the braid? Is it, you know, how much hair to use? Like, what's the hardest part? I've gotten several questions over how much hair to use when it comes to knotless, and that is strictly depending on the size of your braid. Now, if you're doing smaller braids like I'm doing now, you'll use smaller pieces of hair. If you're doing, you know, large braids, you'll do larger pieces of hair. And when it comes to the thickness of the braid, you add as much hair as you need until it gets to whatever size you want it to be. So I normally add 3 pieces of hair, but if I see that my braid is becoming too thick, I'll maybe take some hair out. Or if it's not thick enough, I'll continue to add hair until it gets to the size that I want it. So you'll have to work with it, just play with it, you know, and you'll figure it out. It's really a feel thing when it comes down to how much hair to use. But yeah, as you practice makes perfect, y'all. So make sure you're practicing out here. Get your mannequin head if you don't have any clients yet, and practice. You'll get it down. Now all I did was section that piece out into 2 different braids, and you're gonna see me start the braid. I divide that little piece down into 3, and then I start braiding like I would a regular individual braid. Now you see me adding that small piece of hair underneath that hair, underneath her real hair. I'm always going underneath. You'll see me put that piece of hair in between my fingers as I'm holding the hair, just like that. I go in between my fingers and I grip the hair, and then I just switch my hands and I braid down. I really hope it's making sense, y'all, and I'm not just rambling, because I really want y'all to get this concept. Like, a few people, you know, have asked me or have stated to me that they can't do knotless braids, but they are bum braiders. Y'all, it is really, really simple. It is so simple. Once you get it, you got it. You know what I mean? It's one of those things. But I'm going to show you a few more times, and hopefully it helps you guys. If there are any other styles that you want to learn or you want me to show you, just leave it down below in the comment section, and I will definitely make a video for you guys. All the products that I use will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. If you want to book with your girl, head on over to my website at Artryssaglamtresses.com and come see you, girl. I will most definitely hook you up. I love y'all so much as usual. Be careful out here, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.